How to log in to ECG credit card online. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How To Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your ECG, also known as Energy Credit Card account. For that, you need to go to the official ECG website, which you can do by opening any web browser on your device, and in the search bar, you need to type the official website, that is creditcard.ecg.aaa.com. Once you have entered this keyword, press the enter button to search it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of ECG Credit Card. Here you will find the login section on this homepage at the left side. Make sure you have already created an account on it. If you haven't created or registered your card online yet, then you might need to sign up or create an account first. For that, you can click on this enroll button next to login at the top, and then you need to follow the instructions to register your account. And once you have done that, come back to this login interface, and in this provided box, you need to enter your personal ID. Make sure to enter the correct ID here. If in case you forgot it, you may also click on this forgot your personal ID option or the link just below this continue button, and then from there you can recover your personal ID by following the prompts given to you. Now once you have done that, click on this continue button right here, and then you will be taken to this page. Here you will need to answer your ID sealed question. This is the security question that you have added while creating an account on it. Now here in this provided box, you need to answer to this question that you have added previously. Make sure to answer it correctly. Once you have entered the answer, if you want your computer to remember this answer, you may also click on this little square ahead of it. And if in case you don't remember this answer, you may also click on this forgot your answer option right here, and then you may need to verify yourself and follow the prompts to recover it. Now after entering the correct answer in this box, go ahead and click on this next button right here, and then you will be able to log into your ECG credit card online. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.